Hello everyone, today I will explain to you the functions of the VRA VRB knobs of the CT-8B remote control. For new products, we have added two knobs on the side, VRA and VRB. There are three states that can be set. For example, under normal conditions, these two knobs are channels, something that can control other servers that output PWM signals. However, since our receiver does not have 10 channels yet, if you want to use the knob as a channel, you need to map the knob to other channels, and then you can operate and control it. For example, at this time, I set channel 5 to our VRA knob through mapping. The remote control settings are completed. I need to connect the servo to the fifth channel of our receiver. Okay, it's connected. Then I connect our power supply. The words here are because I have already checked the code before. I don't need to check the code. Then I'll set it up. Let's see if our fallen girl will respond through our VRA. You can see it. We can use the VRA to control our servo attached to the 5 channels. That includes our F11 gyroscope. Connect the sensitivity to the knob channel. We can also control the sensitivity of the gyroscope through our knob. Then we can also enter the channel definition. Set to direction throttle for fine-tuning. At this time, I will check whether the parameters of our remote control panel will change through my knob. Now when I adjust the VRA, I can see that HOTRC is responding. And since I just showed you onto our channel 5, so including our current 5 channels are also responsive, then I will adjust our VIP to see the reaction of our first channel. If you find the middle position, it will make a dripping sound. Okay, at this point, let's set our direction and throttle travel again. After the setup is completed, we return to our parameters panel. Like if we turn the knob directly, there will be no changes to our panel parameters. We need to hold the hand wheel or the trigger. Then we adjust our VRA knob at the same time. You can see that the parameters of our panel will change. However, the strobe value is adjusted by the knob change. Together, unlike the panel, which can adjust the single-side stroke. Therefore, when you use it, you must follow your actual situation. Okay, so the 3 modes have been explained so far. We must use them according to our actual situation.